Oh, my father had a lot of stories. My father made an Hamavdil when he was a kid. The whole Hamavdil, you know, Hamavdil Mekodesh L'Chol Chatasenu Yom Chol, not just the one sentence,
Sure.
the whole
Yeah.
thing. And he was sitting in the marketplace, and the church bells went off. My father lived on a street called Kościelny. Kościół in Polish is a church. His street where he lived was called Kościelny. And I guess the church that was going ding dong, ding dong. And he started, and he made a whole Hamavdil from that ding dong.
What? How did it go?
Yeah, it starts like that. Bum, 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 bum. That's how he started the whole thing. And
Brilliant. I
Yeah.
think what if the whole meaning of Hamavdil?
yeah, yeah. I didn't even think of that. Lahavdil.
Lahavdil.
That's
exactly.
right. Yeah.
That's great.
It's,
They're probably tolling it for Saturday Night Mass.
The
Okay,
funny
Jews,
thing
you're done
is,
with Shabbos, now come to Mass.
and my father couldn't remember it after the war. You know, he was sitting here, and he had one of his choir boys that sang with him. That was from the same town, from Schwenschen, lived in Belgium. And he came to America, and he came to visit my father. And they sat one Saturday night, and they pieced it together. A little he remembered, a little he remembered, and they pieced it. It's a long composition. They pieced it together.